I'm so excited to show you guys something that you don't even know about right now. What that is PLR. What does PLR stand for? It stands for private label rights. Now, some of you guys have heard of this, some of you may know a little bit about it, but this is actually how so many people that you know today actually got their start online, including me. So back in the day, I didn't know how to create a product. I didn't know how to write a book. I didn't know how to make a course, all sorts of things. So I found, almost 20 years ago, I found some people that were selling PLR products. Basically, that means is they create the product and they give it to you, and then you own the product. And you can sell it and keep 100% of all the profits that's made from it. And so for me, before I knew how to create courses and products, this is exactly what I did. I would buy these courses. Sometimes I'd tweak a couple of things. I'd add new intro to it, whatever, but then it was my course, my product. And I made tons of money selling PLR products back in the day. PLR is the future. It's going to be something that changes a lot of your lives. I think it's something that will change your life.
If you don't have continuity, you don't have a business. So step number one, you have to understand this whole process. Step number one is called continuity or subscription. Okay? Most of us call it continuity in the market, but I know that's a techno-babble word. So what continuity is basically someone signs up for something and you get billed month after month after month. Okay? Netflix is a continuity program. Okay? Disney Plus is the continuity program where you sign up for once, you pay every single month. Okay? So step number one is continuity. Now this is a key principle. Like everything I'm going to tell you guys, the rest of from here to the end of the day, all hinges on this one principle that I learned from David Fry. Okay? And if you understand this, it is the key to everything. David told me, he said, if you don't have continuity, you don't have a business. I'll say it again. If you don't have continuity, you don't have a business. You just have a promotion or a campaign, right? Continuity is the key. And like I said, what Dave said, if you don't have continuity, you don't have a business. Okay, I'm curious, in this room right now, how many guys, raise your hand, have continuity in your business? Raise your hand. Very good. How many guys don't have continuity in your business right now? We're at 50-50. Okay, it's good. For those of you guys who do have continuity, we're going to triple down on it today. Those who don't yet, it's going to become the focal point moving forward. Okay, and there's a lot of different types of continuity. My favorite, by the way, as you probably know, is SaaS. SaaS stands for Software as a Service. David told me, he said, if you don't have continuity, you don't have a business. I'll say it again. If you don't have continuity, you don't have a business. You don't have continuity, you don't have a business.
You don't have continuity, you don't have a business.